Ready? Start. It may relate to afforestation and things like that. He has extended the computerization of booking from the present 4 metropolitan cities to 5 more cities, among which Bangalore is included. Whenever an air accident takes place, the compensation that is paid is very high. What Mr. Fernandez has done is that in the case of the railway accident also, he has raised the amount of compensation from the present rate of 1 lakh rupees to 2 lakhs of rupees in accidents, whether it is the rail accident or air accident. The loss of life is the same, and any life lost can never be recovered. Another thing that is to be welcomed is that he is going to provide more accommodation and more seats to the second class passengers by gradually withdrawing the first class AC coaches and the first class coaches. I hope while withdrawing these facilities and extending them to the second class passengers, the existing comforts and facilities of the second class would further improve. I hope in all second class carriages cushion seats are going to be provided. Socialism is not leveling down, but socialism is leveling up. When we withdraw facilities from the higher level, the facilities for the lower level should be improved so that the traveling comforts for the lower level improve. Another innovative idea that Sri George Fernandez has thought of amidst the constraint of resources is financing the West Coast Railway line, which is popularly called the Konkan Railway line. This railway line was initiated when Professor Madhu Dantawat was the railway minister about 12 years ago. Once that government went out of power, this scheme got put into cold storage. Of course, in the last year's budget, Sri Madhurai Sindhi had made some provision for construction of the line from Mangalore to Udupi, but the construction work did not start. Now, Sri George Fernandez has come out with a novel idea of associating the states which are going to benefit out of it with Maharashtra, Goa and Karnataka by raising certain contributions from these three states by raising certain contributions from the public and certain contributions from the railways as well as from the general exchequer. If this scheme had not been thought of and if this had not been taken up in the normal course and under the normal procedure, the railway construction would have taken 15 years to complete. Stop.